Ribbon Finance aims to make people's cryptocurrency work for them.
So what is Ribbon Finance?
Let's check out if we can explain that and also look at Ribbon Finance price predictions. While cryptocurrency is comparatively new, there are some things that apply to it that are long-established concepts in the world of investing. One of the basic ideas in investing is that, ultimately, you should do your best to make your money work for you. There are some places in cryptocurrency where people can make use of certain protocols in order to gain interest or yield on their deposits.
One such facility is Ribbon Finance.
This network allows people to deposit their crypto in de facto pools called theta vaults and receive payment in return for doing so because the vaults invest the crypto with the tokens and coins supported by the system including ETH, Aave, Solana, and WBTC. The idea is to make working on a blockchain easier and cheaper. A blog post by Ribbon Finance says, instead of doing 3 to 4 transactions per week per user, the vault will do 3 to 4 transactions per week for thousands of users at once. This makes the user experience of using these theta vaults extremely straightforward and relatively cheap: deposit, wait for yields, and withdraw. Ribbon Finance said its vaults reduce gas fees on the Ethereum network by socializing transaction costs across all vault depositors.
Every blockchain-based network needs its own crypto, and there is a Ribbon Finance token called RBN.
This crypto is used for governance purposes, so holding it will allow you to take part in votes on the protocol's future, as well as staking it in return for rewards. RBN is based on the Ethereum blockchain, so it is, technically speaking, the RBN token rather than the RBN coin. However, if you see a reference somewhere to a Ribbon Finance coin price prediction, worry not, because it is the same thing. Ribbon Finance was launched in 2021, and was founded by software engineers Julian Ko and Ken Chan, both formerly software engineers at Coinbase. Before we look at RBN's price history, it is important to note that past performance should never be taken as an indicator of future results. All the same, knowing what the token has done in the past can help us if we want either to make or interpret a Ribbon Finance price prediction. When RBN first entered the market in October 2021, it reached an intraday peak of $4.89, which still serves as its all-time high. After that, though, controversy over claims that one of its investors, the crypto venture capital company Divergence Ventures, allegedly exploited the RBN airdrop to claim large quantities of RBN tokens, which were later sold for ETH worth about $2.2 million, caused the price to drop and, with it seeming like investors considered the freshly launched token to be overvalued, the token fell to close the month at $2.03, less than half of what it had been worth a little over 3 weeks earlier. In late December, though, there was a recovery, and it closed the year at $2.50. RBN shot to $4.37 on January 3rd and consistently traded at over $3 throughout the first two-thirds of the month. However, by January 24th it had fallen to a low of $1.33 before it closed the month at $1.86. Russia's invasion of Ukraine on February 24th saw it drop to what was then an all-time low of $0.9776 before it recovered to close the month at $1.22. March and April were months of frustration, as China's crypto ban led to a shrinking market and it ended down at $0.704. In May, the depegging of the UST stablecoin and the collapse of the Luna cryptocurrency sent the market crashing down and, in the turmoil, RBN was not in a strong enough position to cope, with a low of $0.3334 coming on May 12th. The price fell again towards the end of the month, with it trading at $0.2719 on May 29th, before it closed the month at $0.3154. July was another bad month for cryptocurrency, with the cancellation of withdrawals on the Celsius crypto lending platform confirming that crypto was a bear market. Ribbon Finance found itself at the sharp end of a crumbling market, and its token hit an all-time low of $0.1619 on June 18th. By July 5, 2022, Ribbon Finance had recovered slightly and was trading at around 26 cents. At that time, there were a little over 162 million RBN in circulation out of a total supply of 1 billion. This gave the token a market cap of around $42 million, making it the 392nd largest crypto by that metric. Price forecasts, especially for something as volatile as cryptocurrency, are very often wrong. Looking at RBN price predictions, CoinsKid makes a Ribbon Finance price prediction for 2022 that sees the token close the year at $0.3135. By July 2023, the token should be down to $0.3075, it says, but a year from then, it should have made a recovery to $0.3397. In July 2025, RBN should be worth $0.5312. A year on, and the token should be worth $1.01, it predicts, before RBN moves to $1.07 in October 2026. Crypto Predictions Ribbon Finance Crypto Price Prediction says that it will get to $0.366 by the end of the year before shooting to just under $0.488 in July 2023. By July 2024, the token should reach about $0.6235, the site thinks. It goes on to make a Ribbon Finance price prediction for 2025 that sees RBN start the year at around $0.676, before getting to $0.721 in July and closing the year at $0.755. In July 2026, the prediction is for a price of around $0.7976 before it closes the year at $0.825. Digital Coin Price makes an RBN price prediction that involves the token trading at 34 cents this year, before moving to 38 cents in 2023 and 39 cents in 2024. By 2025, it should be worth 48 cents, the site thinks, before it drops slightly to 46 cents in 2026. By 2027, though, it should have recovered to 59 cents, Digital Coin Price believes, before it reaches 84 cents in 2028 and closes the decade at $1.07. There is then a Ribbon Finance price prediction for 2030 that sees it reach $1.21 before it climbs to $1.37 in 2031. Finally, Wallet Investor has a far more bearish price forecast for RBN, saying that the token will drop to $0.00711 by July 2023. We shall have to see whether or not Ribbon Finance can do something which makes it stand out in an increasingly crowded DeFi market. It might be hard to see what it is that Ribbon Finance does that other protocols do not do. Second, the cryptocurrency market has been bearish and RBN has suffered some notable losses. While, at the time of this video it looked like it was just starting to make some kind of recovery, there was still no guarantee that the token would continue to rise. Finally, while one of Ribbon Finance's biggest selling points is that it claims to reduce Ethereum gas fees, the upcoming changes to the Ethereum blockchain could very well, in effect, neutralize that particular point, thus reducing Ribbon Finance's usefulness. As always with crypto, it makes sense to be careful if you are thinking of investing in RBN.